Hey guys, building a brand on Shopify isn't just about selling products. It's about creating an unforgettable experience that keeps customers coming back. So, are you ready to turn your store from just another shop into a memorable brand? Let's dive in. Start with the basics. Who are you and what you stand for? Your brand identity includes your mission, values, and unique story. Think about your target audience and what problems you solve for them. Now, coming down to step 2, that is crafting a memorable logo and visual style. So your logo is the face of your brand. Use tools like Canva or hire a designer to create a simple yet striking logo. Pick brand colors and fonts and imagery that reflects your personality and appeal to customers. Step 3 is customize your Shopify store to match your brand. So navigate to online store, click on themes icon or just scroll down on this page and choose a Shopify theme that fits your style. Minimalist, bold, playful or elegant. Customize fonts, colors and layouts by navigating to the customize button, clicking there, and you'll be able to edit all the elements for your store. Now editing your store will make it look more cohesive and professional. So don't forget consistent branding on product pages and checkout. Now, step 4 is telling your story with content. So you can use your About Us page, product descriptions, and blog posts to share your story. Authentic storytelling connects emotionally and builds trust. So show your passion behind products. Customers love that. Now, step 5 is creating a consistent social media presence. Your brand lives beyond your website, so post regularly on platforms where your audience hangs out. Use your brand voice, visual consistency to build recognition and loyalty. Now, step 6 is offering exceptional customer experience. Fast shipping, responsive support, easy returns make your brand reliable. Personalized customer interactions, little touches like thank you notes or loyalty rewards go a long way. Now, step 7 is leveraging reviews and user-generated content. So you can encourage customers to leave reviews and share photos. Showcase these on your store and socials to build social proof and make your brand community-driven. Now, building a brand is marathon, not a sprint. Be authentic, consistent, and customer-focused. And your Shopify store won't just sell products, it will create fans. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.